All right, people. So I have what seems to be a common problem with some Toyota and Lexus vehicles. My wipers don't seem to be working correctly. It's kind of I actually have two problems going on. I thought that my actual switch here was going bad, where sometimes I would go to hit like intermittent, or I'd hit low speed or high speed, and it wouldn't react correctly. I'd have to hit the button. I'd have to hit the actual arm 2 or 3 times to get it to move. And then it wasn't moving at the correct speed. I'd hit to slow it down and it would keep going faster. And I thought for sure that this switch had a problem. So I started to look into it, and Toyota and Lexus, these switches here cost anywhere between $300 to $500 just for this switch assembly. Even on eBay used, they go for $250. And I was like, my goodness, that's just so weird. I also have another problem, and the other problem is when I go to turn it off, the wipers will just stop and not go all the way back down. Let me show you here real quickly. So, well, right now it seems to work, but sometimes when I hit this, it doesn't react the way it's supposed to. I'll have to hit it 2 or 3 times to get the wipers to start working. But when I go to stop it, there, you can see they just stopped in the up position. They don't return back. See, I had to hit it twice there. And see, even there, they don't stop in the correct position. And see, I try to have to catch it. Otherwise, it'll stop there. There, I hit it once, didn't do anything. As you can see, it's not working correctly. So, it's a very simple fix, and you don't have to stress over it. All that it is you have 2 relays under the hood of your car, and right now, give or take a few dollars, 2 brand new relays are a total of $12 on Amazon. And this is your fix. And I'm going to show you how easy and quickly you can replace them. All you got to do, pop your hood. My car happens to be a 2014 Lexus IS250. I know this is for sure in the 350s. I've seen this on the GS models. There's several models of Lexus this pertains to, and also Toyota. So you come out here, you find where it says relay and fuse. You take your little cover off. These are going to be the 2 relays that you're replacing. Shoot, give me a second here. Oh, to make it easier, you might want a pair of pliers. Come out here, remove the first relay, remove the second relay. Now you just want to make sure the pins are going the same way. There's 3 there at that side. And the 3 over here. But yeah, I was stressed about this. I didn't know if I needed a new wiper motor, if I needed that new switch under the, or on the steering column there. If you have any other questions, just leave a comment below. I'd be more than glad to answer them for you. Here, let's first time I hit the button, it went to intermittent. Second time I'm on low. Third time is on high. And if I turn it off, look at that. It actually goes back to where it's supposed to stop. Guys, it's that easy, so don't stress over it. It's not the switch, even though it's what I thought it was going to be. It's not the motor. The motor's not going bad. It's just those 2 relays. I'll put a link in the description below this video. If you just want to order these relays off of Amazon, I'll have the part number there for you. And like I said, right now it's $12 with free shipping. Give or take a few bucks because it's Amazon. Sometimes they fluctuate up and down on price. But I appreciate you guys watching this video. Hopefully I saved you some money. You don't got to go to the dealer and let them tell you it's going to be, you know, a $500 part, diagnostics, labor. You know, and you end up getting a bill for $800, $1,000, somewhere in that area. This is a $12 fix for most Toyotas and Lexuses. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like the video, just click below, thumbs up. I appreciate it. And if you want to see other videos like this, hit subscribe. Thanks again.